Alrighty guys, so the 2132 BH Vibe just came in. As you can see, it's got the nice big awning that goes almost the whole length of the coach. Got your LED lights through it. Of course, you got the marine speakers outside, outdoor kitchen. You got the freezer or fridge, TV, spray port. Got your electric leveling system, as well as you got your quick connect for your propane down here, which is nice. Bumper on the back, set up for camera prepped. Back entrance that goes into your bathroom. Obviously you got the 1.5 bath, which is awesome in this Vibe. Coming around back, you got the bunkhouse in the back. That one will fold up. Big U-shaped dinette. I mean, the decor in here is awesome. I love this new Vibe. Super clean. That'll drop down to a bed. That'll drop down to a bed. You got your TV and fireplace. Kitchen. Nice big old fridge. It's already getting cool, actually. Microwave, Furrion microwave. Coming in over here, you got your master bathroom. Master bedroom. Plenty of storage. We're gonna have storage underneath as well. TV hookup. These new Vibes are just so clean.